Most Filipinos still use soap and thin bleach to clean their toilet. But this is not enough to kill germs. Even if the toilet looks clean and white, germs quickly return, which makes us susceptible to diseases. The use of specialized toilet cleaners is recommended to kill germs and keep diseases away. What makes specialized cleaners so effective? It removes tough stains and kills all known germs, molds, fungi, viruses, and bacteria. What are the advantages of using specialized cleaners? Better reach, better surface coverage, and longer contact time. The spout of a specialized cleaner allows us to reach even under the rim, where it is often hard to clean. The thicker product of a specialized cleaner provides for better surface coverage as product spreads thoroughly in the toilet bowl. The thick bleach also has better cleaning power for longer contact time and longer lasting protection from germs. 3 advantages for more than 100 times germ kill. Cleaning the toilet bowl with a specialized cleaner is as easy as 3 simple steps. Apply, brush, and flush. Step 1. Apply. Directly apply the product under the rim in a circular motion. Let the product stand and wait for at least 5 minutes for effective germ kill. The longer you leave the product to stand, the better the germ kill. Step 2. Brush. Use a brush to scrub the toilet bowl surface from top to bottom. The mechanical motion scrubs away visible dirt and stain from the surface. Step 3. Flush. Flush the toilet or rinse the bowl with water to remove dirt and kill all known germs dead. Easy, right? 3 steps to clean the toilet. Just apply, brush, and flush. You can also use the specialized cleaner to clean all around the house. Just follow 3 easy steps. Mix, apply, and rinse. Step 1. Mix. Mix 2 cups full of the specialized cleaner into a bucket of water. Step 2. Apply. Apply the mixed solution in areas around the home, like the bathroom tiles, sink, kitchen counters, and floor. With proper use, the mixed solution can be used on tiles, varnished wood, and linoleum without damaging them. Step 3. Rinse. Rinse the surface with water or with a damp cloth. Cleaning all around the house is so simple with 3 easy steps. Mix, apply, and rinse. As some people are more sensitive to cleaning products, use protective gear like a mask and gloves to protect you from harsh fumes and skin irritation. Wash and keep all cleaning gears and tools for bathroom cleaning properly to prevent the spread of germs. We can all keep our families safe from germs and diseases by using specialized toilet cleaners to clean our homes.